Good morning, students. In this video, we will continue exercise 5.10. So, from question number 13, we have to start. So, let us see question number 13, first part. Question number 13, first part, it is given, let y is equal to log in bracket x plus under root x square minus a square whole upon x minus under root x square minus a square. We have to find its derivative. So differentiating it with respect to x. So what we will write? dy by dx. Apply here chain rule. Outer function is logarithmic function. Firstly differentiate the log function. Suppose this bracket is x. Suppose this bracket is x. We know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So we will write 1 upon this bracket. So 1 upon x plus root x square minus a square upon x minus root x square minus a square into, now we will differentiate this bracket. This is the derivative of log of this. Now we have to differentiate this bracket. So to differentiate it, we have to use the quotient rule. So apply the quotient rule. We have to write square of the denominator. Square of the denominator. Then denominator into derivative of numerator x plus root x square minus a square minus numerator x plus root x square minus a square into derivative of denominator into dy dx of x minus root x square minus a square. Simplify it. This will go upside. So we can write x minus root x square minus a square x minus root x square minus a square upon x plus root x square minus a square into square of the denominator is x minus root x square minus a square whole square. Right here x minus root x square minus a square. We have to differentiate it. So what we can write? Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x will be 1. Now we have to differentiate x square, root x square minus a square. So x square minus a square, we can write power 1 by 2. This one. We have to differentiate this one. So how we can differentiate? We have to apply the formula x to the power n. Derivative of x to the power n. N is 1 by 2 and x is this one. So we can write 1 by 2 x square minus a square to the power minus 1 by 2. And then differentiate x square minus a square. So x square derivative is 2x and a square is constant. So 2 cancel with 2. So it will be x, take it in the denominator, x upon under root x square minus a square. 1 by 2 x square minus a square, 1 by 2 minus 1, that will come minus 1 by 2, and after that differentiate this bracket. So x square derivative is 2x, a square is constant, so derivative is 0, 2 cancel, x upon take it downside, so under root x square minus a square. So right here, x upon under root x square minus a square minus x plus root x square minus a square. X plus root x square minus a square into derivative of this one. So again derivative of x is 1 minus what will be derivative of root x square minus a square? This one. So we know that derivative is this one, x upon under root. So x upon under root x square minus a square. X upon under root x square minus a square. We can cancel this one. X minus under root x square. X minus under root x square minus a square. And here square is there. So one factor we can cancel here. Now write 1 upon x plus root x square minus a square. X minus root x square minus a square. Take LCM and simplify. So it will be x plus under root x square minus a square all upon root x square minus a square minus x plus root x square minus a square into and take LCM here. So it will be root x square minus a square minus x whole upon root x square minus a square upon one factor is remaining here. So x minus root x square minus a square. Okay. So calculation is lengthy. Now we have to simplify it. So let us simplify 1 upon x plus root x square minus a square into in bracket x plus root x square minus x minus root x square minus a square into x plus, we can do here one thing, multiply these two brackets. Suppose x is a, this one is b, so a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b, we can write a square minus b square. So a square means x square minus b square means x square minus root x square minus a square whole square. So it will be only x square minus a square upon under root x square minus a square minus, again we can apply this one, root x square minus a square plus x, root x square minus a square minus x. So a plus b and a minus b. So it can be written x square minus a square minus x square, like this. A plus b, a minus b. So a square means root x square minus a square whole square. So we have to remove the sign of root. B is x, so minus x square whole upon under root x square minus a square and upon x minus root x square minus a square. Okay. Multiply these two brackets. Multiply these two brackets. So what will come? A plus b, a minus b. So it will be x square minus x square minus a square. Multiply these two brackets. So we can apply a plus b into a minus b into, open this one, x square minus x square cancel. So minus into minus plus a square upon root x square minus a square. Minus, here minus x square plus x square cancel. Minus into minus plus a square upon root x square minus a square. So x square minus x square cancel, open this bracket. So 1 by a square into 2a square upon root x square minus a square. A square plus a square, 2a square upon this. A square cancel with a square. So it will come 2 upon under root x square minus a square. This is answer. So it was question number 13, first part. 2 upon under root x square minus a square. Let us see next question, question number 15, first part. Question number 15, first part. Question number 15, first part. Y is equal to log x plus root x square minus 1 upon root x square plus 1. And we have to prove that, to prove x square plus 1 d by dx of y plus xy is equal to 1. Y is equal to, given this function, we have to prove this result. So how we can prove it? How we can prove it? We have to differentiate it. So let us differentiate dy by dx. Use here quotient rule. So we have to write square of the denominator. Use here quotient rule. So square of the denominator. Then write denominator into derivative of numerator. X plus root x square minus 1. Minus numerator log x plus root x square minus 1 into d by dx of denominator root x square plus 1. So root x square plus 1 whole square, it will come x square plus 1. Root x square plus 1. Now differentiate this one. Log of this, log x is 1 by x. Write 1 upon x plus root x square minus 1. Suppose this bracket is x, So log x derivative is 1 upon x. Now we have to differentiate this bracket. So what will be differentiation? Derivative of x is 1. And what will be derivative of root x square minus 1? Root x square minus 1 means 1 by 2. Root x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 to the power 1 by 2. What is derivative? We will write it 1 by 2 x square minus 1 to the power minus 1 by 2. N into x to the power n minus 1. And then derivative of x square minus 1. So x square is 2x derivative. One derivative is 0, constant. So we can cancel this one too. So it will be x upon, take a downside, x upon under root x square minus 1. X upon under root x square minus 1. Right here, x upon under root x square minus log x plus root x square minus 1 into derivative of root x square plus 1. So like this we can differentiate it, x square plus 1 to the power 1 by 2. So what will come here? It will come x upon under root x square plus 1. Here plus 1 is there, so we have to write x upon root x square plus 1. It is dy by dx. So cross multiply, it will be x square plus 1 dy by dx of y. Cross multiply dy by dx into x square plus 1 is equal to root x square plus 1 into 1 upon x plus root x square minus 1. Take LCM and simplify this bracket. So it will be x plus under root x square minus 1 upon root x square minus 1. Root x square minus 1 plus x minus, what is this one? Log x plus root x square minus 1 upon root x square plus 1. See here. Log x plus root x square minus 1 upon root x square plus 1. It is equal to y. So in place of this we can write y. So it will be y into x. So minus xy. This part cancel. This part is cancel. Something mistake in the question. Make it correct. It is not minus 1, it is plus 1. Make the question correct. X square plus 1. X square plus 1. X square plus 1. So make the question correct. Here under root x square plus 1 is given, not minus 1. So this one cancel and this part is also cancel. So it will become x square plus 1 d by dx of y is equal to, this part is cancelled, so 1 minus xy. Transpose xy left side. D by dx of y is equal to plus xy. Transpose xy plus xy is equal to, so it is proved. X square plus 1 d by dx of y plus xy is equal to 1. So it is question number 15. Question number 15, first part. Let us see question number 16 first. Let us see question number 16 first. Let y is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 upon 1 minus 4 to the power x. 1 minus 4 to the power x. We have to differentiate it with respect to x. We have to differentiate it. So let us simplify this one. Tan inverse, it can be written 2 into 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x plus 1. So we can write it as 2 into 2 to the power x. Because here power is 1, here power is x, x plus 1 will come. Minus 1 minus, we can write it 2 square to the power x. 2 is 4 means 2 square to the power x. So tan inverse 2 into 2 to the power x minus 1 minus, interchange it, we can write it 2 to the power x whole square. Power to the power, so we have to multiply the power, or you can interchange this power. So take x inside and 2 outside, because product will come 2x. Now we will suppose here, let 2 to the power x is equal to theta. Let 2 to the power x is equal to tan theta. Sorry. 2 to the power x is equal to tan theta. So put here tan inverse 2 to the power x is tan theta upon 1 minus 2 to the power x is tan theta. It is tan square theta. So tan inverse, we know that formula of tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta formula in terms of tan is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So here we can write tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta. And we also know that tan inverse tan theta is theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Property of inverse. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. So tan inverse tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Now we have to put the value of theta here. So what will be theta value? Theta will be tan inverse 2 to the power x. Tan theta is 2 to the power x, theta is tan inverse 2 to the power x. Right here, y is equal to 2 into tan inverse 2 to the power x. Now we have to differentiate it. So dy by dx, 2 is constant, take it outside, tan inverse 2 to the power x. 2 is constant, take it outside and differentiate tan inverse 2 to the power x. What is derivative of tan x, tan inverse x? it is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So suppose this 2 to the power x is x. So tan inverse x derivative will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square means this one. 2 to the power x whole square. X is 2 to the power x here, so 1 plus 2 to the power x whole square into d by dx of 2 to the power x. Firstly differentiate tan inverse, then 2 to the power x by chain rule. So it is 2 upon 1 plus, we interchange again, so 2 square to the power x. Take 2 inside and x outside. 2 to the power x derivative. We will apply here formula derivative of a to the power x. So what is derivative of a to the power x? A to the power x log a. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. So here it will be 2 to the power x log 2. 2 to the power x into 2. It will be 2 to the power x plus 1 log 2 upon 1 plus 2 square is 4. So 4 to the power. This is the derivative. This is the answer. It was question number 16. Next question is question number 17 second. See question number 17 second part. E to the power x minus y is equal to log of x by y. Log of x upon y. So e to the power x minus y, we can write it using the law of logarithm, log m by n. So it will be log x minus log y. Now differentiate d by dx of e to the power x minus y is equal to d by dx of log x minus d by dx of log y. What is derivative of this? Suppose x minus y is x. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So derivative of e to the power x minus y, we will write e to the power x minus y. Then we have to differentiate x minus y. So x derivative is 1 and y derivative is dy by dx. Firstly, suppose x minus y as x. So e to the power x derivative is e to the power x. Then differentiate x minus y. So x derivative is 1 and y derivative dy by dx. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of log y, so we will write 1 upon y. Log x is 1 upon x, log y is 1 upon y, and then again differentiate y. So dy by dx. Open the bracket. E to the power x minus y into 1 e to the power x minus e to the power x minus y dy by dx, and transpose it plus 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Firstly open the bracket, then transpose this one. So e to the power x minus y into 1 minus e to the power x minus y into dy by dx, transpose this part. So 1 plus 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. From these two terms, we can take dy by dx common. So take dy by dx common. So what we can get? We can get 1 upon y from here minus e to the power x minus y. Take dy by dx common. So 1 upon y we can get from this term, and minus e to the power x minus y is equal to 1 by x, and transpose this e to the power x minus. Transpose e to the power x minus. Now we have to simplify it. So dy by dx, take LCM and simplify it. It is 1 minus y into e to the power x minus y upon y. 1 minus y into e to the power x minus y upon y is equal to, again take LCM and simplify it, 1 minus x into e to the power x minus y upon x. 1 minus x into e to the power x minus y upon x. So what will be dy by dx? So therefore dy by dx. So cross multiply by y, it will be y into 1 minus x e to the power x minus y upon x, and divide by this. So transpose y, it will go upside, and this numerator will go downside. Means we have to divide this one by this. So it will come y upon x, 1 minus x into e to the power x minus y divided by 1 minus y into e to the power x minus y. So 17, second part, derivative is this one. Next question, question number 18. See question number 18. It is given y log x is equal to x minus y, and we have to prove dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x whole square. So transpose by this side, y log x plus y is equal to x. Take y common, it will be 1 plus log x is equal to x. So what will be y? X upon 1 plus log x. So transpose minus y right side plus y, then take y common, 1 plus log x is equal to x, y is equal to x upon 1 plus log x. Now differentiate it. Dy by dx. Use here quotient rule. So 1 plus log x whole square, denominator 1 plus log x, d by dx of x minus numerator x, d by dx of 1 plus log x. Denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator. Simplify it. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x, derivative of x is 1, so it is 1, minus x into derivative of 1 is 0, 1 is constant, derivative of 1 is 0, and log x derivative is 1 by x whole upon 1 plus log x whole square. So here we can cancel x, cancel with x. 1 plus log x into 1, 1 plus log x. Minus x cancel with x, 1 into 1, 1. Upon plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square proved. So it is proved. Now we have to take the last question, question number 19. Question number 19. So write 19 second part. Question number 19 second. It is given y is equal to log sin x base cos x. Log sin x base cos x. Log of sin x at the base cos x. We have to find dy by dx. Firstly, using base changing formula, we have to simplify it. We can write it log sin x upon log cos x. What is base changing formula? Log b base a. It means log b upon log a. So log sin x upon log cos x. Now differentiate dy by dx. Use here quotient rule. So log cos x whole square. Then denominator log of cos x. D by dx of numerator. Square of the denominator into d by dx of numerator, minus numerator log sin x into d by dx of denominator log cos x. So take the derivative log cos x. What is derivative of log sin x? Suppose this sin x is x. So log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by sin. And then differentiate sin x. So it is cos x. Firstly, we have to suppose this sin x is x. We know that log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 upon sin x. And after that differentiate sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Minus log of sin x. Derivative of log cos x. Take this cos x as x. So it is 1 by cos x. And then derivative of cos x minus sin x upon log of cos x whole square. We know that cos upon sin is cot. So simplify it. Dy by dx. Cos upon sin is cot x. Cot x into log cos x minus into minus plus sin upon cos tan x into log sin x whole upon log cos x whole square. Log cos x whole square. So this is the derivative of y is equal to log sin x at the base cos x. So we have discussed some questions from exercise 5.10. So it was the last question. So today we have finished 5.10 exercise. So you have to watch this video. Any doubt in this, you can ask any question. If you have problem in any question in this exercise, you can ask. In the next video, we will discuss next exercise 5.11. Okay, thank you class.